just want you to react to the judgment just delivered today, where some of your clients were sentenced to death. Are you appealing this judgment?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. We are appealing it. I've told my Lord, even in the open court, I'm going upstairs. Yes.
So this club branch, but one was discharged acquitted.
Yes.
Okay.
On the same count. You can understand that even if you are not lawyers, you brought 3 people on the same count. Then you remove one. You left others. Where is it done? If you want to carry them along, you carry them along. They came on the same charge. Carry them together. If you are releasing them, release them together. So we are not comfortable, we are not satisfied. We want to test it upstairs. Yeah.
But the notion of the court was that the prosecution successfully proved beyond reasonable doubt.
He does not. He does not. What successfully? Don't you see the way my Lord? I just don't want to preempt my Lord that successfully established beyond reasonable doubt. They brought it from another angle. From another angle. So no problem. That is why the court is after this level, you move to the next level. After that, you go to Supreme. But I'm convinced that they did not act it. Nothing to show they acted it. No any evidence. They never brought any evidence to court. They said there was a vehicle. They didn't present the vehicle then. There was gun. They didn't bring the gun. Then what are you connecting them? I appreciate. Abdullahi Awal Muhammad. You popularly call A.A. Muhammad. Thank you.